Good morning, students. The next one, inherited traits and then acquired traits. What is inherited traits and then acquired traits? There will be a lot of differences there. Okay. First one, if you are taking the inherited traits okay, so that is inside the family. That is comes from the parents. Okay. These inherited traits mostly it is passed from the parents to the offspring. Okay. The trait is that is genetically passed down from one generation to the another generation. That is called as the inherited traits. Okay, so how it is transferred? It is only the genetic variation. We can see the genetic variation, so it is transferred through the genes. Okay, so the next one, acquired traits. Okay, what is acquired traits? It is not passed from the parents. Okay, the traits that is developed during the life of an individual, that is called as the acquired traits. Okay, see this acquired traits, it is the only we can see in the somatic variation. As we know that chromosomes, the somes means body, so here somatic, that means body. Okay, so that is the only body variation. There will be no variation in their structure or function. Okay, so the just only the somatic body variations. Okay, it cannot be transferred to the progeny. Okay, it cannot be transferred to the progeny or offspring. Okay, these are the acquired characters. Okay, inherited characters is passed from the parents, and then acquired characters is we are getting from the environment. Okay, the characters or traits we are getting from the environment or during the lifestyle. Okay, that is called as the acquired traits. So some other example is that if you are taking the inherited traits, hair color. Okay, the hair color is look like in their parents. Okay, or eye color, some of them are blue color eyes, some of them are green color eyes. Okay, so that will be okay, black, brown, blue. So these are all the things we are getting from the parents. Okay, so the next one, height, it may be the tall or short. Okay, so if the parents are very tall in nature, the child also tall in nature. Okay, so it is comes from the parents. And then earlobes, some of them have the free earlobe and then attached earlobe. Okay, just to check it, do you have the free earlobe or attached earlobe? Okay, the attached earlobe is the lobe, the end of the ear is attached with the muscles. Okay, but free earlobe means we have the end is normally free in nature. Okay, so these are all the some example. Other than that, shape of the nose and then bone structure, and then other than that some of the skunk's ability to spray so these are all the things is there. So these are all the example which is for the what is that, inherited traits. Okay, so these inherited traits, hair color, eye color, height, ear lobes, shape of the nose, and then so several characters are is there. Okay, so these are all the characters which is comes from the parents to the offspring. Okay, but if you are taking the acquired traits, I already told you acquired traits is the not passed from the parents. Okay, several example. Some of them have the knowledge. The parent have the higher knowledge or the poor knowledge. Okay, but the child has the lower knowledge and then it may be the higher knowledge. Okay, so the knowledge is comes from the environment. Okay, and then same like that skills of the children, skills of the children, and then idea of the children, idea, and then so several things. And then writing. Okay, so the writing, the parent cannot write but the child can write. Okay, so the writing skill, and then learning skills, reading skills, everything, these are all the acquired traits. This is the characters comes from the environment. Okay, do you understand that? Some example I am giving, that the child or children learning to read or knowledge or skill or idea, any other things. Okay, so these are all the things which is comes from the acquired or environment. Okay, so and then same like the bird is learning to fly. Okay, how it is, it's learn. Okay, it's learn from the environment. Okay, so that is the acquired traits. Okay, then next one is a horse learning to stay away from the electric fence. Okay, if there is a electric fence is there, okay, electric compound or electric line. Okay, so the horse is learning to stay away from the electric lines. Okay, so these are all the things or the traits which is get from the environment. Okay, this is the acquired traits and then inherited traits. Okay, okay students, it's clear. Okay, okay, thank you students.